on the KLAD carrier are wear items, but the ones that are the carrier feet, the ratchet springs, top eyelets, and compensation rollers. It's really important to follow Steger USA provided maintenance schedules for these wear items. It will help prevent premature wear and allow the braider to run at its most efficient state. There are parts on the carrier that affect the carrier's performance. Material tensioning is very important in the braiding process, and it is crucial that the material be properly tensioned for the braiding machine to produce a quality product. There are a few parts on the KLAD carrier that can be changed to adjust the peak bobbin release tension with the various number of carrier configurations. The KLAD carrier can supply as low as 10 grams of bobbin release tension and as high as 930 grams of bobbin release tension. One of the parts on the KLAD carrier that can increase or decrease tension is the tension spring. This is the most commonly changed part on the KLAD carrier, and we offer them in a range of sizes from 0.25 millimeters to 0.95 millimeters.